Hi, thanks for watching InnerTech.
We spend almost 90% of our time indoors. Losing touch with the environment combined with a busy lifestyle will not only affect your performance but also your well-being. Being close to nature is good for your mental and physical health. Enhance your lifestyle by creating a living space that is soothing to be in. The Eco Garden uses a 1,000-year-old growing method to do just that. With its own self-sustaining ecosystem, this miniature greenhouse is capable of growing herbs and vegetables all year round. It combines aquaculture and hydroponics in a symbiotic environment. The fish waste provides an organic food source for the plants, while the ecosystem naturally filters the water which is recirculated back to the fish. No soil or chemical fertilizers and completely pesticide-free. Your fish and herbs are constantly being monitored by multiple sensors, which are continuously uploading real-time data of your system's health. Receive live notifications about the status of your eco garden and track the progress of your plants. Feed your fish and control your garden remotely, right from the palm of your hand. With a team of engineers and support from experts, we have been working for the past year and a half on developing the eco garden. Using state-of-the-art LED grow lights and integrated sensors, we have made growing fun and easy and extremely simple to set up and maintain. No green thumb or toolbox required.
You don't have to rely on your neighbors to take care of your fish or water your plants. The system does it for you. Hey Google, talk to Eco Garden. I want to feed my fish.
Your fish have been fed. What would you like to do next?
Just fill the eco garden with water, add your fish, place your grow medium, plant the seeds, and connect with nature. Don't let your busy schedule stop you from spending time with those you care for the most. Enjoy growing in a calm and relaxing environment and be part of the whole growing process from seed to harvest. Place your garden anywhere you want. It fills out any room and creates a living and harmonic environment. Feel good about going away for a few days, knowing that your system will take care of itself. With smart light sensors, the Eco Garden will automatically adjust the brightness to make sure your plants thrive with the best efficiency and yield possible. With the app, you control everything wherever you are. Your Eco Garden is always connected to your Wi-Fi, which allows you to check the status in real time or the analytics and much more. Rethink the way we grow food and experience the beauty of growing smarter. Help us create a better and more sustainable world for future generations, one person at a time.
We are ready for production, but we need your help. Join us on this journey and be part of a growing community. Please support us and back our project. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sylvie, and this is my friend and partner Claudia. We're both serious plant lovers and can't get enough of them. I mean, we really love plants, and we do everything we can to keep them happy. But plants are difficult and demanding creatures. No matter how hard we try, they keep dying on us. Something tragic. Now, how do you keep them alive? Since we don't speak the same language, they can't tell us directly what they need. So we needed to find other ways to connect and came up with another solution. Meet the Phyta Beam. The Phyta Beam is a smart plant sensor that gives plants a voice. It measures soil's moisture, light intensity, the air temperature, and even the soil nutrition levels around your plant. The beam works with our Phyta app, which we jointly built with experienced plant scientists. The app compares the measurements from the beam with plant-specific data in our database and notifies you whenever your plant needs something. It literally gives your plant a voice. But the app is much more than just an operating device for the sensor. It's a fun tool to learn more about plants. It will offer you tutorials and other content which will inspire you to take your plant love to the next level. Over time, you will learn to understand your plant without even needing the device. For those of you who travel a lot, we have developed the Phyta Base. The base connects with the beams via Bluetooth and extends the connectivity range of the beams through Wi-Fi. This will help you keep an eye on your plant while you're away. We started working on the beam over a year ago. Besides developing a highly functional sensor, we wanted to make sure that it is sustainable. We built in a solar cell that supports the battery, and every piece of the sensor can be detached, customized, and separately recycled. But in order to get where we are, we had to go through several iterations. Our first prototypes looked like this, or this, until we produced a functioning prototype. We have already successfully calibrated and tested the prototypes, and the hardware development is now complete. To finish the last mile, we need your help. In order for the Phyta Beam to see the light, we need funds to finance the molds and the first batch. And while the funds are important to us, we're mostly interested in your feedback on how we can improve the beam.
Be part of our community and connect with plants.
Bloomengine is a smart indoor planter that brings the sprouting and beautiful blooming moments of plants to you anytime and anywhere. You can feel and record the plant journey in real time with Bloomengine. We offer the new concept of indoor green life with your lovely plants, especially small flowers. Bloomengine creates a better environment for plants indoors. All you have to do is fill the compressed soil, then place the seed on top of it. Our soil provides suitable conditions with liquid fertilizers. Then add water and turn the power on. With our watering system, you don't have to worry about it when you pack for a long trip. Through our app, you can set a specific setting for the water pump. The internal water pump circulates the water to make sure it stays fresh. Bloomengine's LED technology provides the perfect amount of light for your plants. You can also easily switch the LED light on and off using the app. And our microventilation fan supports the growth of flowers. It supports photosynthesis and encourages the exchange of gases in the atmosphere. Bloomengine also will notify you if plants need your help. You can even name your plants as you keep caring for them. Children also can monitor and feel the growth of plants in real time with the built-in full HD camera. You can make time-lapse videos for unbelievable moments. Watch them sprout and bloom in a way you've never experienced before. Children will be fascinated by how they experience the blooming of their flowers. Present the most memorable of gifts to your family or loved ones. You can grow various plants that are meaningful to them and enjoy beautiful flowers together for 365 days in Bloomengine. Also, Bloomengine makes interior areas more special: living room, kitchen, bedroom, and even office. The RGB mood light makes your space more special at night. Step into the planting journey with Bloomengine to experience the whole cycle of planting seeds, growing, and blooming the flower.
Our lives are so busy. We have so much to do, just taking care of ourselves, where we live, our families and friends. So I think something that automatically could set it up and help us would be an excellent addition to our lives.
We're confident you will help your friends, family, and loved ones seize the beautiful memories which Bloomengine presents. Thanks for supporting our journey. Visit the Kickstarter campaign page.
Say hello to O Garden Smart. The future of indoor gardening. OGarden Smart is an indoor gardening system that allows you to grow fresh produce at home. Unlike most indoor gardening systems, OGarden Smart can grow up to 90 fruits and vegetables simultaneously, significantly supplementing your grocery shopping in a way that no other indoor gardening system has done before. And since it's indoors, you never have to worry about the weather affecting what you grow or when you grow it. Get perfect fruits and veggies all year round. OGarden Smart is easy to use. Simply place your seeds and growing cups in the nursery cabinet below. When the seeds sprout, transfer them to the wheel. There, they'll grow large enough to harvest. The rotating wheel keeps your roots moist and can host up to 60 plants, while the nursery cabinet below can hold up to 30 plants, giving you a constant rotation of 30 crops at all times. The automatic low energy consumption LEDs simulate the perfect amount of sunshine, and the automatic watering gives your produce exactly the amount it needs for optimal growth. Growing your produce at home means no pesticides, no herbicides, and no waste. Just incredibly fresh food for you and your family that you can harvest right when you need it. OGarden is clean, bright, beautiful, and the perfect addition to any area of your home. From dinner with your friends to quality time with your family, OGarden is there to provide fresh, delicious produce to you and the ones you love. Through growing our own food, we can educate future generations on sustainable practices and create a real impact in the world. The future of produce is independence and sustainability. We believe OGarden will bring us there. Join us. Back our campaign today and take the next step towards a more sustainable, healthier future.
Well, that's all for today. Thanks for having watched the video. If you liked it, please leave a comment. Share it with your friends. If you found it interesting, remember to crush on the bell so that you are always updated to new releases. See you soon with another awesome video.